wataanza kununua majani chai yetu, na najua ya kwamba wakianza kununua, hiyo itakuwa faida kwa mwananchi na kwa mkulima wa majani chai wa nchi hii. Thigiraine wa iregi wa Nairobi ni kwanyitite miruhonge-ini rwa urimi maheirwo rutha morie ciuria atongoria ministry ya urimi matongoretio ni Minister Wilibet. Arimi makienda kumenya uria urimi wao gucoka ukorwo wina uguni munene makiria. Thirikari yaonania wendo wa kuhimbiria njamba njithi urimi-ini uu ati ni makuhota kuonjorithia magetha mao na urimi ukorwo uriguo wira wao undu uria uguteithia kunyihia wagi wa mawira.
But the most interesting thing to me is that I think we are getting convinced that agriculture is cool. And how agriculture is cool is, has been said, if you are making money in it, then what is your problem? And agriculture is the only sector where you can double your money in 3 months.
Arimi a iria nao mahutio na njira ya mwanya magitarwo nginyagia maundu maria magirira ni gwika nigetha urimi wao ukwamuke mathina-ini maria ukoretwo naguo wa kahinda karaihu.
What we are trying to do now is to see how can we improve the quality of this milk. And one of the things that the Cabinet Secretary has mentioned is we are going to distribute about 990 coolers to various counties. That is one step towards improving the quality of our milk. But going beyond that, the quality actually starts right from the feeding all the way to the processed milk. And what we are trying to encourage our farmers is those who can afford to buy the milking machine, which is not very expensive.
Oho ugaruruku wa riera waririo gukirikana ati miena imwe kuri irio cikoretwo cigika wega kuri hatika-ini kumana na ugaruruku wa riera undu uria minister ugite ni makoretwo makigeria guthondeka.
Climate change is a global phenomenon. It's a global challenge, and Kenya is part of the countries which is faced with this problem. There is a global debate, there is a global intervention on climate change.
Kiroto gia thirikari ni gutigirira riri wa urimi guku bururi-ini ni wacokerera kuona ati utonga munene wa bururi umaga thuguri-ini ya magetha ma migunda itu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Njuguna wa Ng'ang'a.